Many years ago, I asked people to imagine that they are walking past a shallow pond and they see a small child who's fallen into that pond and is in danger of drowning. There's no one else around. So they can see that the child is quite likely to drown unless they wade into the pond and pull out the child. And if they do that, they know that the pond is not deep or dangerous, but they're going to ruin their shoes. So there'll be some small cost to them. And I asked my students, well, do you think it would be wrong for a person in those circumstances to say, no, I don't want to spoil my shoes, so I'm not going to wade into the pond and let the child drown? And almost everybody says, of course that would be wrong. That would be a terrible thing to do. You'd be a kind of monster to consider your shoes weighing against the life of the child. Then, having got people to accept that view, I asked them, is there really such a difference between that and the situation of comfortably off people, as most people in the United States say are, as against the 1 billion who are living in extreme poverty, when we know that every day some 27,000 children die from poverty-related causes, and that those deaths could be prevented if only we would share a little bit more of our wealth to provide them with basic health care or assist them in producing enough food so we could prevent many, if not all, of these deaths at a cost to ourselves, probably that per life saved would be no greater than a pair of shoes or sending your clothes to the cleaners.